Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you one of the best Telegram bots that works just like Tinder. So before the video start, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your Telegram app. Then type at Leo Matchbot in the search bar and click on the first result. Once you open it, hit start and it will ask for some details to set up your account. I have already made mine, so you can see my profile here. Now, I will select option 1 to see other people's profile. You can like or dislike them, just like on Tinder. If they like you back, you can start chatting. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.